Use a flashlight to locate the security gateway module underneath the dash on the driver's side. While holding down the retainer latch, disconnect the 12-wire connector from the security gateway module, then insert that connector into the Autostop Eliminator. Next, plug the Autostop Eliminator into the security gateway module. Use a zip tie to secure the device to the adjacent factory wiring harness as shown. You'll also want to secure the socket side of the device. We secured it to a nearby bracket using a zip tie. While this approach worked fine, it was a little tricky to keep the zip tie in place. Electrical tape or a Velcro tie may work better. Remove the excess from the zip tie. Once installed, the device remembers when you turn Auto Start Stop off and will work to keep it off. After cycling the ignition, we see the device maintaining the off setting. We'll cycle the ignition once again to show the off setting is automatically restored. It's that easy to keep Auto Start Stop disabled on your Jeep Compass. We use quality components and a straightforward approach with no negative side effects. Also, our device doesn't make any changes to the vehicle and it's easily removed, so you don't have to worry about your warranty or lease agreements.